In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit text in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you're fixing a typo, updating a title, or completely changing the message on screen, Clipchamp makes it simple once you know where to click. If you're new to video editing or just getting started with Clipchamp, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. Once your project loads, head down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your video clips, audio tracks, and text elements are arranged in order. Look for the text layer in your timeline. Text elements usually appear as a separate track or block labeled with the text preset you selected earlier. Click directly on the section of the timeline where your text is located. When you click on it, the text box in the preview window will become active, and you'll see editing options appear. Now that the text layer is selected, the next step is to click on the actual text inside the preview window. You'll see a highlighted text box appear around your words. This indicates that the text is ready to be edited. Simply click inside that text box. Once you do that, your cursor will appear within the text, allowing you to make changes. If you don't see the cursor right away, double-click inside the text box to activate editing mode. At this point, you can delete existing text, correct spelling mistakes, or completely replace the message. You can use your keyboard just like you would in a regular document editor. Highlight specific words if you only want to change part of the sentence, or press backspace to remove everything and start fresh. Clipchamp updates your changes in real time, so as you type, you'll immediately see the new text reflected in the preview. After typing in your new text, take a moment to review how it looks on screen. Make sure the text fits properly within the frame and doesn't get cut off. If needed, you can resize the text box by dragging the corners or reposition it by clicking and dragging it to a new location in the preview window. This helps ensure your text is clearly visible and visually balanced within your video. If you'd like to further customize your text, you can also explore the Text Settings panel. With the text layer selected in the timeline, look for formatting options such as font style, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Adjust these settings to better match your brand or the style of your video. For example, you can increase the font size to make a headline stand out, change the color for better contrast, or adjust alignment to center the text perfectly. Once you're happy with the changes, click outside the text box to confirm your edits. Scrub through your timeline to preview the updated text in motion and make sure everything looks smooth and polished. If you need to make additional adjustments, simply click the text again and repeat the process. And that's it. That's how you edit text in Clipchamp. As you can see, it's a straightforward process. Select the text on the timeline, click inside the highlighted text box, and type in your new content. With just a few clicks, you can quickly update any on-screen text in your project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials and video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.